Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will delve into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on the 9th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.56. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 23.21% since we first identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.89% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically represents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $128.99 would initially signify a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.37% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 15.02% to 22.25%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a negative 36.93% change. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary between negative 65.84% and negative 35.60% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $41.59 and $78.39. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Advanced Micro Devices Stock Price After Monday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, the Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 4.77%, rising from $116.19 to $121.73. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.79%, with a low of $119.04 and a high of $122.37. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.32% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 27 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 54 million shares changed hands for approximately $6.61 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price sits 35%, or $65.55, below the 52-week high and 46.45%, or $105.57, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Recent developments surrounding Advanced Micro Devices indicate a robust outlook for the company, particularly in the artificial intelligence and semiconductor markets. As of June 9th, 2025, the stock is gaining traction among investors, attributed to significant revenue growth, especially in the data center segment, which marked an impressive 57% year-over-year increase. With second quarter guidance suggesting continued above-average growth, coupled with technical indicators supporting a bullish trend, Advanced Micro Devices appears strong amid favorable market conditions. The company's ongoing acquisition strategy, highlighted by its recent acqui-hire of the team behind Untether AI, positions Advanced Micro Devices well to expand its capabilities in AI technology. Market analysts are increasingly recognizing Advanced Micro Devices as a potential buy. especially as it emerges as a key player in the competitive AI chip space alongside giants like NVIDIA and Alphabet. In the short term, these factors could lead to upward momentum for Advanced Micro Devices stock price, as investor sentiment remains positive amid strong earnings and growth projections. Additionally, as more institutions recognize Advanced Micro Devices' strategic moves and growth potential, we might see increased investment interest leading to higher valuations. Longer term, Advanced Micro Devices' ability to remain a leader in the semiconductor market, particularly in AI, could solidify its position for sustained growth, making it a savvy addition for investors looking to capitalize on this tech trend. Overall, Advanced Micro Devices' proactive strategies and positive technical outlook are likely to keep attracting investors in the evolving landscape of technology and artificial intelligence. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AMD an overweight grade, along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral grade accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform grade, also with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that UBS assigned AMD a buy grade, once again with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy grade, again with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $116.41 and $106.56. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 55.65%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, and these may impact short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 43 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $117.72. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.33, which represents 2.79%. In the past week, the stock has displayed a daily average volatility of 3.17%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $0.6. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $117.72. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Guido Philipp made an insider purchase of 8,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D also executed an insider sale of 7,590 shares of common stock. On the same day, he sold 9,610 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of May, he sold 300 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.019. In total, insiders acquired 666,675 shares and sold 889,950 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $117.15, representing a decline of 3.76%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 42 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices exhibits several positive signals and is experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable choice at the current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems determine that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower by approximately 0.685 starting at $121.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.